Good afternoon, friends. I am making another video for the benefit of my friends who, after purchasing 1000 or 1100 Nifty Bs, are getting ready now to pledge it to invest 50% of their money for selling an OTM call. Friends, there has been lot of questions, lot of queries, lot of people have shown many apprehensions, but I would tell you that this is a very safe strategy. You are investing in Nifty Bs and you are selling a out of the money 350 points call with a strict stop loss which is equal to the premium which you are getting on your 350 OTM call. So friends, in case lot of friends had query, if the Nifty goes up more than 350 points, what happens? Friend, once the Nifty reaches a certain level, your stop loss will get hit and you may make a loss which will be equal to your premium which you received. But friends, at the same time, if Nifty reaches those levels, then whatever loss you are making will be compensated by the increase in price of the Nifty Bs in that period. Suppose you have purchased 14,750 out of the money call you have sold. Okay, you have sold a 14,750 call, say at 60 rupees, and you have put a stop loss for 60 rupees, which means you have put a stop loss at 120 rupees. Now friends, for the Nifty to reach 120 by the expiry, it has to cross 14,800 by Wednesday. So friend, that kind of levels, I am completely apprehensive that those kind of levels will come in the next week, looking at the ground situation. But still, for your benefit, you will be putting a stop loss equal to the premium which you gain. So suppose if you gain a premium of 60 rupees on selling a call, you have 1100 Bs in your account. Now suppose the market goes down by 200 points on Monday. In that case, the call premium will go down to 40. In that case, you can reduce your stop loss also to 100. You can keep trailing your stop loss towards the lower side in case of Nifty moving in your favorable direction, which is downwards. The more the Nifty moves downwards, the less the premium will become, and accordingly you can trail your stop loss so that if there is a rebound, you don't lose much money. And in case of Nifty moving upwards, you don't need to shift your stop loss to higher level. Your stop loss will remain the same. And friends, I can assure you that out of 52 weeks, not more than 6 or 8 weeks, Nifty has shown an upward climb of more than 350 points. Unless there is an event like we have an election result on 2nd May, the Nifty doesn't move upwards very fast. So friend, in that case, you need to take a decision to not trade the week where there is a major event. Because if you trade the event week, there is always a risk of Nifty climbing 500, 600 points in a day also. So friends, whenever there will be such an event, I can inform you in advance, and you should not be using this strategy for that week. Even out of 52 weeks, if you use this strategy for 40 weeks, I think you can gain substantially, and after all your cost and all your income tax liabilities, I think you can safely have 24 to 30% return on your capital, maybe more if the market moves more favorably in your direction. But it is certain that making a loss, the chance of a loss, probability is only 6 to 8 weeks out of 52 weeks. Now, friend, if out of 52 weeks, even if you make loss in 10 weeks and make gain in 40 weeks, still your ratio is 4 is to 1 profit and loss. So, it's a safe strategy, friends. It's not a risky strategy, and your risk is covered by your stop loss. And also, remember, friends, suppose you have sold the call of 14,750. If the Nifty reaches 14,800, so from the level of 14,400, if Nifty reaches 14,800, your B's would also gain value of 4 rupees per unit, which means you will have 4,400 rupees profit in your account, or maybe 4,000 rupees, which is almost equal to the loss which you will make because of your stop loss getting hit. If your stop loss gets hit, which I think out of 52 weeks, not more than 10 or 12 weeks, your stop loss will get hit during the week. That is the confidence I have because of the historical data. Rest, friend, is completely your decision. It is not a buy sell recommendation, it's not a strategy recommendation. If you feel this strategy can give you safe returns, good returns in a year while saving your capital, then you can always participate in this strategy. If you want levels for every week, how to trail your stop loss, how much trailing you should do when the market goes down every day, you can join my WhatsApp channel at 90735 15315, 90739 15315. I would help you in taking the decision, proper decision to sell the call, proper decision to put a stop loss, and also when to trail your stop loss along with the market moving downwards, and by how much to finally gain during the week. Thank you very much, friends. Hope I have clarified my strategy. Still, if you have any doubts, you can join my WhatsApp group and we can interact. I will give free service for whole of month of May, and after May, from June, the services will become paid. If you are satisfied in May, you can continue in June with the paid service. Thank you very much, friends. Goodbye.